hard.
Like Rodman, Worthy gives total dedication to his craft, but through a very different medium of expression.
Discipline is the key to the foundation for the making of an artist, and that goes for any artist.
Worthy enemy down! I've never seen one like that.
Ballet and basketball, I think, are very close. I didn't realize the similarity until I had the opportunity to go to a couple of ballets, and I sat there and I watched that and I said, man, this is the same thing. So you go right down the line from team to team. The guys that have the leaping ability are usually the guys that will have the most similarity to the dancers. On the Lakers, you have to say James Worthy, because James is the guy that's graceful. James is the one that you'd have to look at and say, that is the guy that is the dancer on the team.
I've been watching him since he was at North Carolina, and he has always had his own style, basically, and it's usually very graceful watching him play.
And for the artist, the genius is in the execution.
Being able to repeat something cleanly over and over again, that's technique. And Mr. Worthy, I see him being pretty close to being technically perfect.
It's really scary how good he is, especially when it's the big game or the big series.
And in those crucial moments, the burden of stopping him falls on one man.
By yourself, Warren, by yourself!
Now you get a guy who is not afraid to stick his nose in and play the toughest people night in, night out.
When I stop worried, it's like a great, great feeling because, hey, this guy right here get to the basket in the blink of an eye.
I like doing